Mastering superlatives, the highest degree of adjectives. Hello language learners. In today's video, we're going to tackle a fantastic part of English grammar, superlatives, a form of adjectives that we use when we are talking about the highest degree or extreme of something. So, if you've ever wondered how to say something is the most or the least of something, you're in the right place. Superlative adjectives are used when you want to compare three or more things. These adjectives express the highest or lowest degree of something. For example, if we say, John is the tallest boy in the class, tallest is the superlative adjective. It means John is higher than all the other boys in his class. Forming superlatives is simple. If an adjective is short, usually one syllable, or two syllables ending in y, we add est at the end of the word. For example, short becomes shortest, and happy becomes happiest. For longer adjectives, usually with two or more syllables, we add most before the adjective. For example, beautiful becomes most beautiful, and interesting becomes most interesting. Remember, if the adjective ends in y, we change y to I before adding est. And for adjectives that end in a consonant, vowel, and another consonant, we double the final consonant before adding est. Like, big becomes biggest. Superlatives always need to be accompanied by the definite article, the. So we say, this is the best day of my life, not, this is best day of my life. Also, when you use a superlative, you're comparing someone or something to a larger group. So, make sure there's context to indicate what the comparison group is. For instance, she's the fastest runner. This sentence lacks context. Fastest compared to whom? It's better to say, she's the fastest runner in our school. So, there you have it. Now you know what superlative adjectives are, how to form them, and how to use them correctly. Remember, they're all about extremes: the most, the least, the best, the worst. Practice these in your daily conversations, and soon using them will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and remember, you're the best English learners out there. Keep going, and happy learning.